ladies and gentlemen, this is ZEATH Neo out here and welcome back to the Neo Tech YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how do you get a hot and sexy girlfriend in less than 5 minutes. Now if you want a hot and sexy girlfriend in less than 5 minutes, you're probably at the wrong place right now, because I'm not going to be showing you. In this video we're going to learn how do you edit and animate audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now animating audio in Adobe Premiere Pro seems to be so much awesome. Now if you have learned about it in the past videos, if you are watching the tutorials of Adobe Premiere Pro, you might know that how do we animate audio, but in this video I'm going to be showing you something extra, that how do we do more than animating audio in then Adobe Premiere Pro. So out of formalities, let's get started. So if you get started, let me first make a project. Let me name it animating audio and just press OK on my keyboard. And now let me wait till it loads up completely. So just here it is. So now let me drag any file here. For example, I'll drag any video. For example, I'm gonna choose Alan Walker's The Spectre, and here you can get the preview of this by holding your mouse over this video. Now I'll drag it to my timeline. Now if you want to animate the audio, so the best way to animate the audio is just click on this effect controllers here. Go back to here, click on the effect controller, and as you can see that there is an audio effects. Now to animate audio, just go here and a little bit scroll here and it'll zoom the audio up. That's what we want. We want it to zoom the audio, so just not that much big, just a little bit. Yeah, here it looks good now. Not that much good, just yeah, it's good. Now if you want to just edit the audio and animate it, so you don't need to do the keyframes here. As you can see the stopwatch here right next to the level icon. So just click here on this button, it'll add in keyframe. So click here and move a little bit forward and just create a keyframe here too, and here another keyframe here, move a little bit over, another keyframe, and a little bit another keyframe. Now what you need to do is just go to back this keyframe and just set to 0, and when you reach this keyframe again, just set it to -31, and it'll create an awesome keyframe right down to here. And go here and just take it all the way up, and it'll create an keyframe on the top of here. Now if you listen to this video, it'll sound like this. Now you can do the second thing. You can just move on these keyframes up down here and to edit them. For example, I'm gonna move this keyframe down here and play it again. Frames to edit your video to animate your audio. Now second thing to animate audio is to apply effect to audio transitions here. So where do you find the audio transitions? Click on the effects here, and once you click on the effects here, you'll find different transitions. Here's an audio transition. Here's crossfade in the audio, constant gain, and you can just use this constant gain. And for example, let me just undo all of these keyframes and just use constant power here in the starting. So here I use in the starting of this, and just let me play it again. Now you can use the razor tool to cut your audio in half, and second thing you need to do is you can also use this transition audio transitions and just play it again. For example, let me play it out here one more time here. So what this exponential fade does, when the line crosses this exponent fade, the sound decreases a little bit and then it increases after passing this. Let me show you again. So you can use this again. So let me again put another this transition here that's called constant grain, and let me play. Let's see what this does. So this actually equalizes sound at that moment. So that's how you animate audio and add transitions in audios. So that's pretty much it. That's all about today's video. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. So this was it for today's video, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'll be back with next Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So this was it. So see you in my next video, guys.